Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video out of 4 attempts of trying to make one, so hopefully this is the right one. Okay, so today's video is going to be about how to achieve this high puff with your natural 4C hair. If you would like to achieve this look as well, please stay tuned, and so that you can also achieve the same high puff band. You're just gonna allow your hair to be moist. You're gonna brush your hair back, and also you're doing this so that you're able to position your hair where you want it. What you're gonna need is the Isoplus hairline and edge holding gel for the baby hair look. So you're gonna evenly distribute this on your hair from the front and then the excess at the back. So I'm still on a journey of trying to understand my hair type and the products that actually my hair allows. You're gonna take your strand and you're just gonna put it here, and as you tighten it at the back, make sure that you don't hurt yourself or you don't pull your hairs. Make sure your thumbs actually are the ones that are actually pushing this to the back. As soon as it's able to get to this point, you can pull the strands at the back, and make sure, guys, that it is not super tight. And you just hide it at the back. After this, you're just gonna pull your hair up, and it's gonna give you that puffy puff look. So you're gonna take your Isoplus gel, just a bit of it. You're not gonna take much. Let me bring you closer. So you're gonna take your brush and you're gonna dab onto your gel, and then as you brush it down, you're gonna hold here where you brushed your hair and then swoop it back. You're just gonna cover your hair for 5 to 10 minutes so that it lays down. Any part that has gel on and you know it's more shinier and silkier and just tamed. After 10 minutes, you're just gonna take it off, and this is how your hair is gonna look. Okay, embrace your hair once in a while because it really needs to breathe. I never thought my hair would be this big because I was always keeping it under things and that time was way before I actually, you know, got to a point where I got hair, like virgin hair. So anyway, yeah, this is how you achieve this look. If you like it, guys, please comment down below and like this video, and also share it if you're able. And yeah, thank you for watching my first video. This was a struggle. This was hard. This was difficult. I know I'm also looking this way. I know. And I have flu. I know. But I felt like I'm not gonna let such things hold me back if I want to start this journey actually with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.